Matthew, wow, this is a heck of a last name. Fuxjagger?
No, Fojagger.
Fojagger? Fuxjager? Foyager? A co-director of the Ecology and Evolutionary...
Sorry, Matthew, if you by any chance watch this, your last name's hard to pronounce.
Yeah, give it, put the correct pronunciation in the comments. He's the co-director of the Ecology and Evolutionary Biology graduate program at Brown University. And he said the woodpecker's behavior can likely be explained by the current mating season in which the males or species are known to become fiercely territorial.